Okay, so I'm in my shed and I'm trying to work out which is the best tool to cut out the windows in my new camper conversion. I've got a Hicker pneumatic nibbler and I've got a Silverline 710 watt jigsaw fitted with some Bosch T118G high-speed steel blades. So I've got a couple of ribs that I've removed from the van, and first of all I'm going to try the nibbler just to see how this goes. I've had a few practices with this and it's a little bit difficult to follow the line. Let's see how it works out. Well, as you can see, I've got a bit of a wavy line on my bit of metal there. It's quite difficult to follow the line due to the tip of the nibbler. It's difficult to see actually where you are cutting because you've got this round end, so you're not exactly it's not exactly clear where you are cutting. So next, I'll try the jigsaw. Well, as you can see, I haven't got two hands to hold a piece of steel still, but it's cut a much neater line. A little bit wonky to begin with because I'm trying to concentrate on the camera at the same time, but it seems much better than the nibbler. So, to be honest with you, I think it's much easier to control the jigsaw. I've got it set on number speed 2. So it's relatively slow, so it's not cutting too quickly. So if you don't put too much pressure on, it goes through nice and steady, and you can control it. Okay, thank you.